Hello friends, welcome you again in my new video where I will tell you how to unlock the lock of your mobile like pin, pattern, password. In this video, you will also know that you will not lose any data at the time of unlocking your phone. And the biggest thing is from this video, we will also know that how you can remove your password of your phone without using any computer software. This method is also used in nowadays in service center. By doing this you can unlock any Android phone at home. So let's learn it. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all work with cool mind. Whenever your mobile is locked, first of all you have to fully charge your smartphone. At least 50% battery should be charged in your mobile phone. Your mobile phone should not be switched off in this process of unlocking. If your mobile phone is switched off, then all the important data of your smartphone remains in danger and being deleted. Watch this video till the end only. Then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning this method, mentioning in it and applying it your locked smartphone. First of all, you must have fully charged your smartphone, or you can also use this process by plugging your charger into your phone. So this phone is charged. You can see here this phone is charged 76%. It means it's eligible to unlock the phone. So if your phone is not charged, you can plug your charger and continue this process. So first of all, you have to click some secret codes, or you may say that Google FRP codes, which continues change after 15 days. If your phone does not open by this trick, then you can wait for 15 days. After 15 days the new code comes for the unlocking the new phones, and it's continuously updated by the service center every 15 days. So you may wait for 15 days. So now I'm going to telling you how to unlock your phone. First of all, you can see here there are these type of option where you have to go with a pin pattern or pin password, but we have forgotten this password. So you have to click on, just a minute, you have to click on emergency call option. After clicking on emergency call option, you will see here a such type of dialing pad. And now there I'm going to telling you the secret code by which you can close your all background application which were running before the phone locked. So all the applications should be closed before your phone should be go on engineers mode, or you may say that master unlocking mode. So first of all, you have to close the all background option. For that we will have to dial some secret code like this: star 2368590 and hash. After dialing this number, you have to go to call button, then press on OK. Again dial this number, continue this process 3 times. Now 3 times this process has been completed. You can see here your phone is already on airplane mode. If your phone is not airplane mode, then go to the slider, slide this and click on airplane mode. Actually my phone is already on airplane mode, so you have to click the airplane mode, or you may say that flight mode. After clicking on flight mode, now you have to clear this option. Now you can see here I have cleared the total emergency codes. Now we are now going on engineers mode, or you may say that it's also known as master unlocking code. Nowadays these tricks are also used in service center. So seriously look the full process of unlocking the phone. If you skip any step, then it may be possible your phone could not be unlocked. So this secret code is star hash 899 and hash. Now you can see the top engineers mode is activated in your phone. Now from here the unlocking process of your password, pin or pattern is started. Now seriously look the full video and without skipping though. So now after that you can see here lots of options from top to bottom, but you have to choose the software version. After clicking on software version, you can see here lots of options from top to model. Here is written RMX2117. This is your phone's model number, and the second option is Android version. The main thing, you have to click on Android version. You can see in your phone Android version 13, 11, 10 and else whatever your Android version is running in your phone. If you are seeing here Android version 12, then click on this option 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you are seeing here 10, then you have to click here 10 times. If you are seeing here 11, then you have to click here 11 times. After completing this process, you have to go by back button. Now you have to choose here manual test option. You can see here manual test option. Click on manual test option. After clicking on manual test option, you will see here a lots of option by sliding the right side. So slide it right side till you comes on other option. Now you can see here other option. Now you will see here 5 type of option over there. Just a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you have to click on data version, database version. Continuously click on this option 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After completing this database version 7 time click, you have to stay here 5 to 6 seconds. Now 7 seconds is completed. Now you have to click on the second option, that is read write important log test. Click on read write important test. Now you will see on your phone a confirm option. No, you don't have to confirm here, you have to cancel here. Again click on this button, again cancel. Continue this process 3 times, cancel. Now on at the 4th time you have to click on OK option. Now you can see it's OK button is completed. OK option, I have clicked OK option. Now you have to go slide left side, and this option is last option. But you don't have to skip any process. If you are skipping any process, that it may be your data should be in danger, may be deleted, or your phone can't be unlocked. Okay, so don't skip any method of this unlocking phone. Now you can see here lots of options, but you have to go here sensor self test and calibration option. Click on sensor self test and calibration option. After clicking on this, you can see here, just a minute, you can see here 2 type of option where written as operation not started, and second option is also written operation not started. In your phone it may be possible there would be 2 or 3 or 1 option, and you have to click on the all option. Okay, you can see here, you can click on to all option until you see test passed option. Until it's come test passed, you will have to click here continuously. You can see here test started option is coming, but you have to click here until you see test passed. Okay, now you can see here test passed prompt has been come in your phone. It means your phone has been unlocked completely. So you have to simply go on home button. You can see in your phone home button below the bottom of the phone. So you will here press